Hello, this is Dave with TC Life Safety. I'm here with another Ask Dave video. And today I'm going to bring you up to date on some of the products that we're going to be bringing in first quarter 2019. 2018, we had some new products. We brought in the WES system, the wireless emergency communication system for both NFPA 241 and NFPA 3000 applications. It's a great product. Getting a lot of feedback, a lot of talk on that. For 2019, first quarter, we got a couple of things they're unique. They're unique products, nothing huge and grandiose, but some unique products because we've been watching the feeds on the internet and listening to folks when they've been talking to us. So a couple of things here that are gonna hopefully make you smile anyway. First one is this. Now, I know, we've had this on the website for years. Space Age developed this thing 8 or 10 years ago. It's an OFB or an outdoor fire beacon box. It's the, putting it outside the building with a beacon on top of it. Beacon? Beacon. We're Tomar dealers, so we can get any of the Tomar products that you request. One of the things that two of the things that we're gonna have on the website as standard products is the 495S, which has the 1/2-inch male coupling on the bottom, and the 490S, which has the female 1/2-inch coupling on the bottom. Well, it's what's so new about that, Dave? You've been selling these things for a long time. Tomar's been around for a long time. What's the big deal? Well, the big deal is this. You're going to be able to buy one part and get this. Yeah, the OFB with the Tomar 490S 1280, which is the 1224 volt DC strobe beacon on it. Already assembled, Teflon taped, terminations made, ready to go, out of the box, on the outside of the building. Have a nice day. That's new first quarter 2019. The next thing is the KS5. KS5 it's a tie wrap machine. It's a handheld unit that allows you to tie wrap stuff together. Here we go. Real quick, easy to use, unless you're uncoordinated like I am. But you can tighten that puppy up and tie wrap, bundle of wires, whatever you need to tie wrap. I have one. I work weekends at a motorcycle shop. I do wiring on motorcycles. And I have the black tie wrap plastic. Works great. Great little tool. You don't have to have bags of tie wraps in your pocket falling out of the floor. You have this in your pouch. You're good to go. It comes with a reel of tie wrap line. It comes with, I don't know, a whole grunch of the tie wrap connectors, the little square units right here. And it also comes with these standoffs so that you can, punch a hole in something, stick one of these things in the hole, and then tie wrap a bundle of wires or whatever, like off the base of a back box or something so they won't get wet or whatever. So that's coming out first quarter 2019. Next product is from Space Age again. It's end-of-line resistors. They're colorful. There's a different resistance for every color. Green is 4.7K. Right? Blue is 20K. Yellow is 3.9K, and red is 47K. So we'll be coming out with these. They'll be in bags of 5 or 10. I'm not sure exactly how we're going to bag that. We'll wait till see what Space Age wants to do. But they're pretty neat. I mean, you guys know you take an end-of-line resistor on and off a terminal a couple of times, it breaks, and you don't get bags of end-of-line resistors with the fire alarms that you get anymore. And Radio Shack is gone, so we'll be selling these. They're pretty robust, so you'll be able to screw and unscrew these things forever. You got plenty of wire there to work with. Next is door holders. Everybody knows door holders. They're made by a couple of manufacturers here in the States. They all look the same. They're stainless steel. There's a floor mount, there's a wall mount, there's a surface mount and a flush mount, right? You got rods that you have for doors that don't close all the way to the wall. Gotcha. New company out of the UK called Geofire. Door holders. This is a floor mount door holder. What's different about it? It's, I guess, pretty. It's nice design, nice look. It's got a test switch on it, so if you get your door all set up and you hit the test switch and you watch it swing and shut, you know, you got your door set up and all that good stuff. 120 volts, 24 volts, same holding power as what we're used to, same poundage. They have these units that go against the door, right? That's your magnet catch. They don't make the 16 different versions of bars from 1 to 2 inch to 5 inch to 8 inch, whatever. They supply a chain, and you just cut the chain to the length you need, and you're good to go. Floor mount, wall mount, slim, nice design. Nice little terminal block on the inside. Same holding power that you're used to. Test switch on the top. Pretty sweet. Now that Geofire has gone to that kind of effort to redesign this thing to make it look nice, and you know, you got a nice building and you got an ugly old floor-mounted stainless steel catastrophe. You can plug one of these things on there and make it look pretty. But they've also gone and developed a little more technology into the door holder. This is their Agrippa series. This is a wall mount door holder. And here's your magnet right here. What's different about this? It's wireless. Runs off of 2 C-cell batteries for a year. 2 C-cell batteries. So how do you get it to drop the door when there's a fire, Dave? Glad you asked. It's very simple. There's a couple of push buttons in here that puts it into programming mode. You put it on the wall, power it up, close the door on it, put it into programming mode, set off the fire alarm. It listens to and learns the sound of the fire alarm signals and drops the doors. Now, you can pre-program these in your office, right? Set a whole bunch of them up. Use the same type of device that's going to be in the building and program them all to learn that device. And you're good to go. All you got to do is mount it, test it, and you're golden. You can also program this so that it'll drop the doors at a particular time during the day. For instance, closing. 5 o'clock at night, everybody's leaving the building. You want all the doors closed? Program it. Now all the doors will close at 5 o'clock. And whoever opens up in the morning goes around, opens the doors, and you're good for business. Last thing Geofire has done is made a door closer. That's right, a door closer. It's a noisy door closer. This door closer, again, is battery operated, runs on the same principle as the surface mount door holder. Comes with all of the correct hardware necessary to put on a door in a hospital or whatever that you have a door closer on. Program it. It runs on batteries, a couple of C-cells, holds the door for a year, and you can program it to listen to the horns or the signals in the building, and it'll shut the door when it hears the fire alarm. And it's also programmable, so at 5 o'clock you can have all the doors closed. Pretty neat. Pretty neat and fairly reasonably priced. First quarter 2019. That's kind of it for the show and tell. I do know that Space Age Electronics is going to be is in the process of releasing a bunch of new dock boxes. that'll have micro USB and USB-C selector switch on the front. So you know if you're plugging into the memory that's inside the dock boxes, you'll be able to use the newer USB-C connectors. So those will be coming out. Those will be first quarter 2019. So that's pretty much it. You know, the beacons, the door holders, the underlines, the KS5, and more to come. I'll be talking to you in the next few weeks as these things get released. We'll do a little more detail on them. And 2019, we'll be expanding the product line considerably. So again, happy holidays. I hope everybody has a safe holiday season this year. I hope you have a life safety day, and I'd like to thank you for your time.